shameful by making it public. I'm gonna make shame more shameful still by shouting you out. I'm gonna make shame more shameful still by chanting you down. I asked you for a ride after the show. I put my trust in you, but you went and broke. Maybe your head is just too clouded in smoke. You dirty old man. Dirty, dirty old man. Dirty, dirty old man. You tried and tried and tried. I told you no, no, not tonight. You wouldn't take that, no, no, you wouldn't take that. I excused you, blame myself. Didn't wanna name it, so I hid my shame. You won't take pleasure from my pain. 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 You won't take pleasure. Came to you cause I needed a friend, a hug, a shoulder to cry on. You wouldn't open your heart but you opened your bed and tried to force me to take off my nylon. Dirty, dirty old man. Dirty, dirty old man. Dirty, dirty old man. Dirty, dirty old man. I said stop, I made it perfectly clear. I said stop, but you chose not to hear. I said stop. What is it about that word that you don't understand?